Hi, my name is Johnny, and this is for session one. Um, my website or the business I chose to start is a data handling company. It's called Data Specialist. Um, our goal in this company is to enhance your business capabilities through providing accurate and reliable data processing and data entry services. We value our clients and their businesses, and we aspire to meet or exceed their expectations of us. There are many services that we offer, including but not limited to data entry, OCR cleanup, data mining, data cleansing, data conversion, and document conversion. Some of the slogans for the website are "You're in good hands with Data Specialists," "Data Specialists finish first," and "Nothing is faster than Data Specialists."